Is I'm going to go over this motion sensor light pack. This is a 2-pack, and what we got here is a motion sensor, solar powered. So they are solar powered. It charges them pretty much all day long. And these are the 2 motion sensors right there. So the way you're going to mount this is, let me show you how this is. You're going to mount this bracket down to the side of the house, or you could screw this in. If you want to screw it in directly, you can screw it in directly. But what I'm going to do is screw this bracket in and just slide it down and see how it locks into place. Then if you want to remove it, you basically just mash that little thing right there. These are articulating left and right. So if you want, like right here, and you're at a side of a building, you want to shine one that way, you can shine it that way. Or if you could do it out and have it more like a circular type deal like that. And this thing goes up to 6,500 K. So that's the amount of power that this thing pushes out. And what do we got here? Let's see, looking over the instructions here, the rated power is an 8.5 watts. So the solar panel is a 1.5 watt solar panel. Obviously, look at it, it's the size of a wallet. So it's not going to be a super powerful solar panel. These are IP65, 100% waterproof. So you ain't going to worry about that. They turn off during the day, turn back on at night. 236 LEDs on this thing. So there's a couple of different modes. You've got a sensor mode, a continuous on mode, and a dim to sensor mode. That's usually what I run my motion sensor lights on. That way they're just dim all the time, and then when somebody comes by or motion, they click on. So let me go ahead, mount one of my brackets up here. You've got all the supplied hardware, pretty easy if you've ever mounted anything like this. Then mount this light. We've got a little bit of daylight. Let it charge for the rest of the day. Then we'll come back at night and I'll show you what this thing looks like. Okay, pretty simple. I just tapped 2 screws in right there, and this thing went up super fast. So the light just slides down in there like that right there, locks into place. The solar panel's up right there. This is a different solar panel that runs this camera right here, but I never really had any light back here on this back. So if anyone walks up on the side of my house, this right here will kick on. So I've got it ready to go. We'll come back tonight and we'll see what this thing looks like. Okay, here we are, everybody. It's nighttime and I've got it on where it has a stay on, kind of like at like maybe 20%, and then it should go to full brightness when I walk up to it. I have another light right here, but you see how kind of dark it is back here? And I'm just gonna kind of walk up and let's see if this thing comes on when I come. Yep, you see that? So it did. Look how bright this thing is. And now look at how bright it is out through here. Now, I just showed you up through there how dark it was. Now look at this thing. That is a very bright security light. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one this way a little bit and that one like that. So yeah, I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to put security lights, you know, in the dark areas around their house, or, you know, place of business or something. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know, the motion sensor light. See you on the next video.